Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Lunar Silver Civic Sport CVT. Now of course you get full front parking sensors, full LED headlights, daytime running lights and cornering lights, or fog lights, sorry. You then also get these brilliant 17-inch tinted diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get on these alloys. Best way to tell if this is a sport is by the twin exit exhaust pipes at the bottom. You've got rear parking sensors, you've also got reversing camera just up at the top there. Into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room inside of here as well, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with this level just here. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car, we've got full black cloth interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all around. Inside, as I did mention earlier, we've got your CVT gearbox just here in the middle. Dual climate control in the front. You've then also got your infotainment display, which comes with satellite navigation. You've then also got your Bluetooth hands-free. And then finally, we have your various audio sources just here. Then over to the steering wheel, we have your volume, onboard computer information, voice assistant and Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between the infotainment display and the onboard computer. Over to the right, we've got your lane keep assist, distance control and your cruise control and speed limiter just here. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this Civic Sport has done 30,649 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic Sport, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.